everyone, my name is Emily and welcome to Kids African Drum Course. Today we are going to play the whole binary calling and respond exercise. I'll be playing the calling while you respond. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go!
Let's try again.
Ready? 5, 6, 7, go! Now let's exchange. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go!
Let's try again.
Ready? 5, 6, 7, go! This is the end of the whole binary calling and respond exercises. Please remember to subscribe and also to hit the notification button so that next time you will see our new videos. And please remember to share with your friends and families too. See you next time. Goodbye.